Are wondering if there are any games available on the new Galaxy Watch 8. So yep, we can actually install quite a lot of different games on this watch. By default, it actually doesn't come with any games. So to install a game, simply first swipe up and find your Play Store icon, and let's open the Play Store. So if you actually check the categories over here, we actually do not have any like category for games. So maybe fun apps for all, but again, we only have maybe like a couple things over here. So I think the like Play Store basically on this watch is completely stupid basically. So it doesn't shows you any good suggestions. And the way we simply search for any games is simply like tap on the basically top, and then simply we can enter basically any game name that we actually want to find. Or also I find if you simply type in simply games, that also actually pulls up quite a lot of games. So you see what, for example, we can install here. So I guess really your best option would be to simply research which game you actually want to get on this watch, and then basically search for it. So again, I do not like them. That there aren't simply like any categories where we could like see all the games available. So, and if you basically want to install a game, for example, literally click install and it will get downloaded to your watch shortly and you will be able to play. So after you basically download the game, so we can basically go in our apps list and you will see your new game basically installed. And you see, for example, we can launch the game over here. For example, I have this Temple Run over here. So yeah, and when it comes to games, they're actually quite decent selection of games. But again, so it's kind of hard to actually find something in that Play Store. Anyway, good luck.